Default value for next element in Python iterator if iterator is empty. I have a list of objects, and I would like to find the first one for which a given method returns true for some input value. This is relatively easy to do in Python. However, in my application it is common that there is no such p for which p.method input is true, and so this will raise a stop iteration exception. Is there an idiomatic way to handle this without writing a try/catch block? In particular, it seems like it would be cleaner to handle that case with something like an if pattern is not non-conditional, so I'm wondering if there's a way to expand my definition of pattern to provide a none value when the iterator is empty, or if there's a more Pythonic way to handle the overall problem.
Next accepts a default value. And so. Note that you have to wrap the genx in the extra parentheses for syntactic reasons, otherwise.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.